When a government building in Texas could not be occupied until adequate cooling was provided, it was time for the mobile air team to get to work. After putting on PPE for both COVID-19 and workplace safety, the team began by working on the chilled water supply of the permanent system. They prepared the pipes for a connection to our rental chiller's evaporator tank. Next, the air-cooled chiller was stationed just outside of the building. With the chiller in place, it was time to run the hoses from the rooftop to the unit on ground level. And to finish the hose run, the team finally connected the hoses onto the rental unit. With the water supply in place, all that remained was connecting the chiller to power. Thankfully, the close proximity of the power supply helped make this an easy install for the team. But not too easy. A leak in the building's piping required some last-minute repairs before the job could be finished. After some final setup and testing, Mobile Air and Power Rentals delivered on yet another custom rental solution for yet another happy customer.